Welcome, today in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So just let's see the currently wallpaper in our lock screen. Just to change it, to wash it, launch the settings application, and after that tap here on the display section. Then just click here to wallpaper and now select your new wallpaper from device. Live wallpapers, photos, and wallpapers. Default wallpapers here. We can also use our device photos previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet. And now let's just select one from these wallpapers, for example this one. Then just click here on the right upper corner and tap to the lock screen, and after that let's see the result. And as you can see that we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.